guys, today I'm checking out the D Hotel here in Pattaya, but first let's take a moment to enjoy this view from the pool. I'm usually not the pool and beach holiday type of guy, but honestly this isn't bad at all. Alright, let's go see what this hotel is all about. The hotel sits on a quiet little side street of Soi Buakhao, just about 50 meters down. Across the street from the hotel there's a laundry place and one or two massage shops. They're super chilled. No noise problems or limited noise problems. And they're kind of friendly. I said hello to them every day, and I use the laundry place a lot. It's really convenient. But let's head inside and check out the room. And we are in, and yeah, let's see what it's like. Lights on first. Well, we got a sink and wardrobe for the clothing, and well, this room is, got like everything you expect from a 3-star hotel. Actually, bigger than most around. Well, at least what I've seen here. Yeah, and you got like 3 chairs and like a work desk for your laptop or whatever, and even a sofa, which is kind of rare in this price range. The bed though is pretty firm. I prefer medium mattress, and this one is definitely on the hard side. The balcony is big enough to bring a chair outside, but the view isn't anything special. Perfect spot for like a smoke or your morning coffee though. Just remember to switch off the AC while you sit out here, because it's kind of annoying. All the usual stuff included: kettle and coffee, free water, a safe. No real luxury, but all the basics are covered. Bathroom and shower is like totally standard for this price point. Nothing special to see. Well, let's check out the fridge. Well, yeah, it's empty because I don't buy anything here. And that's the kettle. And let's check out the safe. Yeah, it's in here. My camera isn't that well, isn't that good in dark condition, but well, let's meet in the pool and talk about my final thoughts. While I'm taking a quick dip in the pool, let me tell you about the neighborhood and how to get around. As you can see, the D Hotel is in the top of the map, and the other places are the main attractions around Soi Buakhao. So you can easily take a stroll and you're in the middle of everything in like 5 to 10 minutes. But if you don't want to walk, then you can take the baht bus, and let me show you how easy it is. How easy was that? Well, I want to show you some of the more local places around the hotel and show you on the map how you can get to Soi 7, Soi 8, Soi 6, Terminal 21 and Honey Massage 2 and Side by D Massage. As you can see, the hotel is in the bottom, and really just around the corner you find two nice beer complex. One of them is New Plaza. It's just on the other side of Soi Buakhao, and just like in the back of the hotel kind of, there's a beer bar complex with one of the famous bar called M&M Bar. I don't know what the beer complex, what the name is, but it's a really nice place for warm up. Check it out. If you want to go to Soi 7 or Soi 8, you just go up New Plaza until you get to Second Road, and there you are. That's Soi 7 or Soi 8, start on the other side of Second Road. If you want to go to Soi 6 or some of the massage parlors up there, or Terminal 21, Naklua or something, then I would recommend that you stop at Second Road, go all the way up to the end of New Plaza until you hit Second Road, and then you jump on a baht bus and get off when you want. Would I recommend this hotel? Yeah, I think I would. Money wise, this is good value for money, and it's perfect location. There's a balcony. Wow, I got everything I need, so try it out, or put in the comment if you have tried it, want to add something. Well, see you guys.